Meet your new secret weapon for peak productivity, the Edge Pro Core. This sleek, modern marvel isn't just a phone holder, it's your go-to for turning chaos into order. Crafted with the millennial multitasker in mind, this ultra-thin metal arm magnetically snaps your phone right into place, right by your PC screen or just as a standalone. The result? A cluster-free desk and a streamlined workflow that will have you wondering how you ever managed without it. Whether you're video conferencing, gaming, or just juggling screens, the Edge Pro Core keeps your phone securely in place with its effortlessly magnetic grip. And at just 2.5mm thick, it's like carrying a portable office that fits in your pocket. Plus, with universal compatibility for both MagSafe and Android devices, it's the ultimate blend of form and function. Elevate your workspace, impress your friends, and redefine productivity with a touch of style. Swap out those clustered sticky notes and outdated planners for a sleek all-in-one solution, the Nota Wedge Desk Whiteboard. This clever desk accessory is your go-to for jotting down tasks, notes, and appointments, whether you're at home or in the office. The premium glass dry erase surface is not only a dream to be written on, but it also wipes clean without a trace. No smudges, no ghosting. With a hidden compartment to stash all your office essentials and an integrated slot to hold your phone or tablet, the Wedge is as functional as it is stylish. Plus, it's perfectly sized to fit between your keyboard and monitor, doubling as a comfortable keyboard stand. Whether you're gifting it to a colleague or treating yourself, this mini whiteboard and organizer combo is a must-have for anyone who loves to stay organized with a touch of modern flair. Say goodbye to clunky dumbbells and say hello to the Oyo Personal Gym, the portable fitness powerhouse. Using NASA's Spiroflex technology, this compact gym packs a punch, delivering up to 25 pounds of resistance per hand, all while weighing just 2 pounds. It's small enough to fit in your bag, making it the perfect travel companion for those who just want to stay fit without the hassle of a traditional gym. Whether you're over 50, recovering from an injury, or just can't stand the sight of bulky gym equipment, the Oyo Gym is your all-in-one solution. It targets everything from your abs to your glutes, giving you a full body workout wherever you are. With its double flex resistance technology, you'll engage opposing muscle groups simultaneously, making your workouts more efficient. Ditch the weights and embrace the future of fitness with Oyo Personal Gym, your ticket to getting lean and fit fast. Need a pen that's more than just a pen? The Stealth Pen Pro is your discreet lifeline. Whether you're fending off an attacker or smashing through a car window in an emergency, its ergonomic design ensures a solid grip, no matter how you hold it. And it comes with an online course by combat expert Helder Gomes to show you how to wield it effectively. Beyond survival, it's also a top-notch writing tool with a hexagonal shape that fits comfortably in your hand and a clip that's built to last. Tucked under a silicone cap is a tungsten carbide glass breaker, ready to save lives, yet subtle enough to carry daily. Plus, the bolt-action system offers a satisfying click for those who think best with a pen in hand. Whether jotting notes or escaping danger, this pen has you covered. Ready to unleash your culinary creativity, whether you're in the kitchen or under the stars. This electric kettle is your new adventure companion, with 3 handy preset buttons that open the door to endless tasty possibilities. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day at the beach, this multi-purpose marvel has you covered, offering delicious experiences wherever you go. Crafted from tough, corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel, it's built to withstand the elements and keep you cooking with confidence. With 500 watts of power, it boils water in just 5 minutes, and its portable design makes it easy to take along and clean. Plus, dual filters ensure a smooth pour every time. Throw out your ordinary popcorn makers. This kettle lets you popcorn anywhere, thanks to its preset temperature range of 180 to 220 degrees Celsius. The future of snacking just got a whole lot more fun and convenient. Dreaming of a hot shower in the wild? InstaShower GoPro has you covered, blending luxury with portability. Powered by a robust 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it keeps the water flowing for up to 80 minutes, even miles from civilization. The custom temperature control lets you dial in your perfect warmth, while the shower head offers options for a gentle mist or a power wash. No more shivering in the cold. This beast heats water in just 10 seconds with an impressive 22,000 BTU. Safety's on point too, with a tilt switch and water flow sensor that prevent mishaps. Plus, its flame-retardant build and energy-efficient design make it as practical as it is indulgent. Your next adventure just got a whole lot more refreshing. Upgrade your entertainment setup with this all-in-one Bluetooth speaker that combines a built-in microphone and phone stand for seamless, hands-free use. Perfect for video calls, movie nights, or just blasting your favorite tunes. This gadget is a must-have for any room, living room, kitchen, or office. It's also a standout gift for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. The adjustable telescopic arm ensures you find the perfect angle for viewing or chatting, while the textured silicone panel and non-slip rubber keep your device steady. Featuring a USB port for the on-the-go charging and a 2000 mAh battery that delivers up to 15 hours of playtime, this speaker keeps the party going. Plus, the LED display shows power and volume levels at a glance. A tech lover's dream with a splash of convenience. Ever dreamed of a desk mat that does it all? Meet the Moft Smart Desk Mat, a sleek innovation that marries a desk mat, stand, and memo board into one ultra-slim marvel. This versatile gem tidies up your laptop, phone, tablet, and notes all in one spot, making clutter a thing of the past. Its modular design lets you organize your workspace with ease, keeping you sharp, focused, and comfy. Switch up your screen setup effortlessly with adjustable angles from 25 degrees to 60 degrees and enjoy a cushy experience no matter where you work. With 2 customizable NFC hotspots, you can tailor your setup with apps that boost productivity. Plus, when you're lounging on the couch or bed, the magnetic leg cushion attaches seamlessly for added comfort and wrist support. Revolutionize your workspace and let this mat reflect your style. See ya!